Hey, kids, have you heard about the new Post cereal? It's called
Beep beep.
That's the name of it.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Is an unusual name for a cereal. Post named
Beep beep.
after the Roadrunner.
Beep beep.
Is so good it makes you feel as frisky as the Roadrunner.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Is a crisp corn cereal with brown sugar and honey.
Beep beep.
Is honeyed up for energy, sugared up for go. You can snack
Beep beep.
or splash on milk and eat
Beep beep.
out of a bowl. New Post,
Beep beep.
there's never been a cereal like.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Is honeyed up for energy.
Beep beep.
Is sugared up for go. New Post,
Beep beep.
the Roadrunner cereal. Say
Beep beep.
in the morning. Have
Beep beep.
for breakfast. You can be a Roadrunner too.
Beep beep.